Hello and welcome to Verge3D for Maya. In this tutorial series, we're gonna learn how to create an interactive product presentation from a Maya model, which we'll finally publish online. Here's what we'll achieve in the end. This is a Swiss Army knife model running in the standard web browser. Not only can be viewed from all sides and zoomed, but also unfolded and folded back. All the instruments of a knife are supplied with annotations, which explain their purpose. It is possible to customize the knife by choosing from free finishes, a typical feature for e-commerce. As you will see, no programming skills are needed to create such a web application. All you need is Maya with Verge3D plugin installed. We'll also be using a third-party web page builder to create HTML buttons. Prepare to become a Verge3D Pro. See you in the next video.